Good morning, my dear students. Your revision tests are going to start from 14th Feb. There will be 3 revision tests. Whole of the syllabus will be bifurcated in 3 parts. I have done this and I have sent this syllabus in WhatsApp English group. Okay, there is 7th English group. I have made that. Okay, so this syllabus has been posted there. I have bifurcated your whole syllabus because PT4 literature will be there and writing skill and grammar of PT1, PT2, PT3 and PT4 will be there. So I have bifurcated all the syllabus clearly. I have sent click and I have sent pick and I have sent to you on your WhatsApp that group. You can check from there. Okay. And in your PT4 syllabus, in printed form, it is written. कोई बात नहीं, by mistake बोल दिया, आर्यन क्या? By mistake I have spoken. Okay. So PT4 voice exclamatory is written in your syllabus booklet. So make this correction. It was misprint because voice imperative is given. Okay. So today I am going to make you revise voice of imperative kind. Okay. So write down voice imperative. So whatever we are going to do, voice of imperative, it's better if you write down all these rules as it is in your fair notebook. Because during your exam preparation, you will not face any kind of difficulty if these rules will be in front of you in a crystal clear form. So before doing this active passive voice, I want all of your participation. What do you understand by imperative? Tell me. Okay, good. Command suggestion. Okay, order, command, suggestion. Advice. Okay. Request. Order, only order. Order, command, request, advice. Okay. What are imperative sentences? Okay. So all of you are having same viewpoint that imperative sentences are those sentences in which there is order, command, request, advice, suggestion. Okay. So there are different rules to do active passive for imperative sentences. For that you have to jot down the, you can say, rule. Okay. Suppose any of the sentence is given in active and you have to change into passive. And this rule is, this sentence is given in imperative form. Imperative form, for example, any order is given, request is given, advice, suggestion, all these are given. So how you will change active to passive? Any idea? Speak one sentence of imperative. Any one sentence. Shut the door. Okay. Online student, you type in chat box any one sentence of imperative kind. And this chat you can do only with me. Okay. Type, I'm going to read your answer. You have to write in only one sentence of imperative kind. By the time I'm asking offline also. Any sentence of imperative. कोई ऑर्डर बोल दो, कोई रिक्वेस्ट है, सजेशन है, एडवाइस है, कमांड है, और ऊपर कर दो. Give me a pen. ऐसे क्विकली माइंड में आना चाहिए. कोई ऑर्डर है, कोई रिक्वेस्ट है, कुछ भी है, क्विकली माइंड में आना चाहिए. See, my chat box is full. Very good. Good response by online students. Ridhima, Shreya, Jalash, all are sending. Samiksha, all are sending. Samriddhi, sending me correct answer. Let me read their names. Jalash, Sanvi, Samaira, Rivya. Good. हाँ बोलो. Open the door. Please give me a glass of water. Let's go. Okay. Please do me one favor. Obey your elders. Follow traffic rules. Do not run so fast. Don't make a noise. Listen to me. All these sentences are. तो इतना दिमाग पे प्रेशर क्यों डालना पड़ गया? See your faces. पता नहीं कौन सी मैथ्स की इक्वेशन पूछ ली मैंने. Immediately all of you speak one sentence of imperative. This is question. Can I question mark? It is not imperative. So all these sentences come into the category of imperative. Now imperative is clear. Mind has started working. My passive listeners, mind has started. Now you will be active or not? इस कैटेगरी में मत आओ, इस कैटेगरी में आ जाओ. आई विल बी हैप्पी विद यू. समझ आ गई? सो व्हेन एनी command, advice or request is given and you have to change into passive, so what to be used? We will be using let plus be plus third form. When any command is given, when any command is given, you have to use let plus be plus third form. For example, make it. Make it simple. So it will be let it be, third form will be made. Let it be made. For example, send this information. Send this information. Then let this information let this information be sent. Be sent. So write down these two examples along with this rule in your notebook. Afterwards, I am going to give you 3-4 sentences related to this. Be sent by you, it is okay if you are writing, but if you don't write, that is also correct. So after writing this, write down sentence. Okay, I'm giving you time to jot down. ऐसे रखो. Now blackboard is clear. Written. Now write down exercise. Sentence number 1. Put out the candle. Put out the candle. First sentence. Put out the candle. Let her complete the work. Let her complete the work. Let her bring the dress. Put out the candle. Let her complete the work. Let her bring the dress. Clear? Now try to do these 3 sentences. I can ask any of the child to write these answers on blackboard. So you all should be ready with this. You first of all solve on your own. And online students, if you are able to solve these answers, type your answers in chat box. Shreya, Sanya, Jasleen, all are active participants of my class. Jalashveer, Divya, Shreya, Jasleen, all are sending me correct answer. Good. Keep it up. Now from offline, I am going to ask any of the child to come here and write it on the blackboard. So I'm going to call, your name is Drishti, Arshia, Khushi, Guneet. Okay, Guneet, you come and write down first answer. Let the candle be put out. Very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. After Guneet, I'm going to ask last one. You come. Let her complete the work. Wrong. Let, after that you have to pick up object. ये देखो यहाँ पे it was object. I have picked it as an object. Information, sorry, this information has picked. Candle has been picked. And here what to be picked? तो आप क्या लिख रहे हैं बेटा? By. Yes, it is right. Let the work be completed. But her word is also given. So you will be writing here by her. Now next one. Let her bring the dress. Mithul, you come and do. Let the work be completed by her. रब कर दो. Let the. ठीक है. Very good. So your answer will be let the dress be brought by her. So this was basically first rule of imperative. Afterwards, there are other rules which are associated with imperative sentences. First of all, that should be clear to you. If it is clear, only then I'll be moving further. Clear? Written? Note it down. Shall I move further? Now, quite confident if such kind of sentences are asked, will you be able to do? Yes. Okay. Now we have next type. See, sometimes imperative sentences are spoken using a word please. Please give me a glass of water. Please do me one favor. Kindly help the poor. Kindly sort out this problem for me. So all these sentences, whatever I have spoken just now, these are also imperative. Now you speak any of sentence starts with please. Huh? Okay, any another sentence? Okay. Starts with kindly speak though. Okay. Okay. So rule number 2. Rule number 2. If active sentence starts with please or kindly. If active sentence starts with please or kindly, then the rule will be, what will be the rule? You will be writing in the beginning, you are requested then to plus verb first form and rest of the sentence. For example, please give me a glass of water. You are requested to give me a glass of water. This first point you have to keep in your mind, that when your active sentence starts with please or kindly, you do in the same way in your notebook, because at a glance you can recall these rules. Because in grammar so many topics are there, you will not have a time to go through all the topics so minutely during your exam preparation. So when it will be written in your notebook like this, highlighted please is given, kindly is given. What is the rule? You are requested to plus verb first form like this. And second point that you have to keep in your mind, can anybody tell me what is that? What is that second point? What you will do with the words please and kindly? Tell me. Please and kindly, these words will be omitted. In passive voice, you will not repeat those words. These words will be omitted. Simple. अगर एक्टिव में प्लीज और काइंडली वर्ड आ गया, and in passive this please and kindly, these words will not be repeated. ये words क्या हो जाएंगे? Omit, deleted. I just take one example. Please do me one favor. Please do me one favor. So how will you start? Please, what is there? It means this is active voice of which kind? Imperative, but which kind? Request is there. So you will write down this answer. You are requested. Then to plus verb first form. Which is verb first form? Do will remain same. You are requested to do me one favor. But when I have changed active to passive, I have not used word please. This please word is omitted. So it was your active sentence and this is your passive sentence. Am I clear? Same you can copy. Okay. So this is the way you are requested to do me one favor. Please do me one favor. Clear? Now write down this rule as it is. Afterwards, I'm going to give you 3-4 sentences related to question form and you will be solving it in class. Okay. So start writing. I will be calling you to write down here. Okay, बच्चे, try to do these 2 sentences on your own. Jot down all these rules carefully in your notebook. Rivya has sent me correct answer. Sanya has also written correct answer in chat box. Online, other students also start typing your answer. Sanya, very good. Jasleen, very good. Nandini, good. See, subject enrichment activity, that message was also sent on WhatsApp. In that, I have written that you have to prepare only 1 minute video in which you can do a role play of any of the character, whether it is a teacher, policeman, doctor, anyone. And you can prepare 1 minute video and you can send me on my WhatsApp number. But offline students will not be making any video. They will do role play here in front of me only for 1 minute. Any role play of your choice. Only your dialect delivery will be judged, the way you speak your dialects. Any role play. You can enact like a teacher, like a doctor, like a student, like a customer, like anyone you like. Not hard and fast rule. So offline student, prepare it and enact in front of me. Okay. So 10th is today is 8th. So up 9th and 10th, 2 days. Within 2 days you can prepare it. Okay. So have you done this? Now these rules are clear. Now who is going to write down this answer? Please assist her. All online students have written correct answer. Now any student can be called from offline mode to write down here. You write down this answer and second last you come and you write down this second answer. हर का हरी लिखोगे क्या होगा, इतना टाइम क्यों लगता तुम्हें? Good. So both have written correct answer. You are requested to assist her. You are requested to show me the way to the library. Okay. Now I'm going to give you 2 more sentences so that this concept should be clear. So write down sentence number next. Please sign the letter. Please sign the letter. Okay. Sentence number 4. Kindly read this application. Kindly read this application. Kindly read this application. Please sign the letter. So who will be writing this answer? Please sign the letter. Last one, Satvik, you come, you do this sentence. Afterwards, Lakshay, you come and you do fourth sentence. Very good. You are requested to sign the letter. You are requested to read this application. So you both have written so well. Very good. Now these rules are clear to you. Have you noted it down? Now write down very last rule. Last rule you write down. If advice and order is limited, if advice or order is limited up to the subject, you just write down, then I will be explaining to you what is actually that. And the action is not carried, and the action is not carried forward to the object, forward to the object. Now try to understand this rule. Suppose any advice is given, study hard. Any order is given, go and bring this book. And it is only up to the subject, go and bring this book, study hard. And action is not carried forward to the object. It means in this sentence, it is only limited to subject. After that, by dash, by me, by you, by he, by her, this is not given. So then this will be, this rule will be followed. Like you then follow this rule, like you are advised to, you are suggested to. Okay, you are ordered to. Okay, so only this rule you have to write down. For example, go and bring me a glass of water. You are ordered to bring me a glass of water. Study hard. You are advised to study hard. So with all that, you will be using first form. Clear? Up to that, have you written?